Uyabusibopha amanxeba. Come, let us return to God. Emveni kokuzwa lelizwi bathandeka bami, the Holy Spirit is announcing this afternoon. Come, let us return to God. Asibuyeleni kuJehova. Asibuyeleni kuJehova bathandi. Ithi ngesilungu mama. Come, let us return to the Lord. For he has torn us and he will heal us. He has smitten us and he will bind us. Let's go, man. Let's go. Go back. After 2 days, he will revive us. After how many days? 2 days. Come on, Matando. After how many days?